How to change name of Bluetooth device on iPhone. So if you want to change your iPhone Bluetooth name, then this video is going to walk you through how to do this step by step. So if at the end of this you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now, to change name of your Bluetooth device on your iPhone, all you just need to do is go ahead and open the settings app on your iPhone. Now on the settings page, scroll down, click on general. Under general, locate about and then click on it. Then here you see name iOS, your iPhone model name. Now what you need to do next is click on the name here. Literally, if you're using iPhone 12, let's say you're using iPhone 12, what you're going to see here is iPhone 12. So if your iPhone here, just click on the iPhone, delete iPhone, and then type in your new iPhone Bluetooth name. And then once you type that, click on done on the keyboard or just hit the power button. Then you should see the Bluetooth name changed here. Now, whenever your Bluetooth is available, and then anyone is trying to connect to this particular Bluetooth, then you should see the new name you set as your Bluetooth name on your iPhone. So that is basically how to change name of Bluetooth device on iPhone. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.